car not start. So what first thing you should check? Battery. But again, don't change the battery until you watch this video. Most important things that you check, visually check. This means the battery shouldn't like leaking any liquid. If it's leaking any liquid, immediately you need to replace it. No need for extra check. And for sure, you must make sure how much is the charging voltage. Another thing that what we will use here, we'll use two tools. First is the multimeter, so we'll check how much voltage in this battery. To use this one, we must adjust on the voltage DC. I can choose 20 volt, and I have two props. One is red, I will put it with positive, and the ground or the black one will be on negative. And I will check the reading. How much is the reading here for this battery? 10.77. So it's low. Why? Because it should give us approximately 12 volt and it should be fully charged. If it's discharged, the reading will be faulty. But is this enough? No, this is not enough. What else we should check? I must have battery checker, or I will call it the truth check. Because voltage only is not enough, I should check how much amp it will give to me, especially when you start the car. So never replace, depend only on the multimeter. It's not enough. You must have a battery checker like this one. Simple. Again, red is a positive, black is ground. Just I will use checker. I will choose out of vehicle because it's outside the vehicle. Regular fluid if I have this kind of battery. CCA is very important. This is called the cranking ampere. How much amp it will give you in the cold start. This is why we must check this CCA. It will tell us the battery health. Again, voltage is not enough to start your car. And don't change it until you check with a battery checker. CCA I will find on the label here. For example, this is 370. I will choose 370 amp. Then enter. It will give me state of health is 75. So here we have the voltage was around 10 volt, but I will not replace it. Why? Because state of health is 75, so it need only to charge. So again, don't change your battery until you check with the battery checker or truth checker.